Hello and welcome to WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to press subscribe at the bottom. Today we've got an Elddis Autoquest 115. This is a 2015 on the new cab. Very nice little short motorhome. Comes in at 5.71 metres in length and 2.2 metres in width. As you can see from the outside, this one has the awning fitted, which is the full length and the size of this motorhome. Got electric step, white exterior throughout, very nice condition. This motorhome is a very manageable size and weight, has a gross weight of 3,300 kilograms and an approximate payload of 668 kilograms. Plenty of payload for the size of the motorhome. You'll never really need any more than that, especially for two people. We do have daytime running lights on the Peugeot cab as well, which we'll get to shortly. As we head inside, we'll start with the kitchen at the rear, where we have the Dometic fridge, oven grill, sink, 3-hob burner with electric ignition. We do also have storage cupboards above this area. In the corner we have a nice bathroom with shower, cassette toilet and sink with storage and the mirror. Next to this we have the TV, the table that's been stored and a nice spacious wardrobe. We also have the rail for clothing at the top. Awning winder is also stored in here. By the habitation door we've got the TV, aerial and 12-volt socket, as well as two 240-volt sockets. And then the lounge itself is made up of 2 single bench seats. Now these do turn into one very large double bed. When they're made up, it measures 6'10" by 4'5", so it is a full width bed. Alternatively, the driver and passenger seat do swivel round, and it makes 2 6'1" by 2'3" singles. So it depends what your sleeping arrangement wants to be. Above this area and below the seating are 2 cupboards, and there's one great big locker overhead. Now this is built, as all Elddises are, on the Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDI engine. This one's got the 100 brake horsepower. It has the electric mirrors, electric windows, steering wheel controls, cruise control, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth, cab air conditioning, radio, driver and passenger airbag, and everything you need for a motorhome of this size. Really nicely laid out cab. And just to finish, we have the controls for the water and heater. If you've got any more questions on this motorhome, or if you have a motorhome to sell, please get in touch by calling 01283 240 237. And for any more videos, hints, tips and reviews, please click the subscribe button at the bottom, and we shall see you soon.